Kittens are born with a bundle of instinctual behaviors, many of which are tied to their survival in the wild. These early actions are the building blocks for the behaviors they'll carry with them throughout their lives, shaping them into skilled hunters, communicators, and companions. One of the most fascinating aspects of a kitten's early development is its instinctual games. These playful activities, seemingly just for fun, serve a much deeper purpose. They prepare kittens for the challenges of adult life. From hunting to socializing, play is an essential part of a kitten's growth and survival. From the moment a kitten is born, it begins to develop the physical and mental skills it will need later in life. While newborn kittens rely heavily on their mother for warmth, food, and care, as they grow and their senses start to develop, they begin to engage with the world around them in a more active way. One of the first things a kitten will do as it becomes aware of its surroundings is start to play. At first, these activities may seem random or aimless. Kittens might bat at their mother's tail or chase after their littermates, but even in these early stages, there's much more going on beneath the surface. These actions are not just about burning off energy, they are important for the kitten's development and survival. In the wild, play is essential for kittens to hone the skills they'll need for hunting. Cats are natural predators, and although domesticated cats no longer have to hunt for food, their instinct to do so remains strong. Play mimics the motions and behaviors they would use in the wild to catch prey. From pouncing and stalking to swatting and biting, kittens engage in these activities instinctively, preparing their muscles and coordination for real-life hunting scenarios. When kittens are very young, they start by engaging in play with their littermates. These games are often wrestling or gentle mock fights. Kittens learn to pounce, wrestle, and use their teeth and claws in these early games, refining their coordination and motor skills. These play fights teach kittens important lessons about timing, patience, and strategy. They learn when to hold back and when to go full force. This is critical for adult life, where they'll need to judge their strength and aggression when hunting or defending themselves. As kittens grow and develop, their play becomes more complex. By the time they reach 4 to 6 weeks of age, they begin to display more advanced play behaviors, such as stalking and pouncing. This stage is essential because it teaches the kitten how to move stealthily and approach potential prey without being detected. At first, the kitten's stalking might seem comical, crouching down, tiptoeing around the room, or making exaggerated motions, but this play behavior is a way for them to practice and perfect the skills that will later make them efficient hunters. In the wild, a kitten would need to learn how to get close to its prey before making the final leap, and these practice sessions with their littermates help them master that skill. Kittens also begin to play with objects around them as they grow older. Toys, especially those that move or dangle, provide an opportunity for kittens to mimic hunting behaviors. You may notice your kitten swatting at strings, batting at small balls, or chasing after anything that rolls or moves across the floor. These actions are directly linked to their natural hunting instincts. The kitten's paw movements, sharp reflexes, and ability to track moving objects are all essential for capturing prey. While they may not be catching mice in your living room, they are practicing the exact motions they would use to capture a target in the wild. The thrill of the chase, the satisfaction of the capture, and the rewards of success are all part of the playful learning process. The impact of play on a kitten's development extends beyond just physical skills. Play is crucial for socialization, and it teaches kittens how to communicate with others. During play sessions with their littermates, kittens engage in a range of social behaviors, including vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions. These interactions are essential for developing the communication skills that will help them interact with other cats, animals, and even humans. For example, a kitten might learn to communicate its feelings through its tail position or its posture during play. Kittens learn to signal when they're playing and when they're feeling threatened or uncomfortable. By practicing these cues during play, they become more attuned to the social dynamics of their environment, in addition to communication, play helps kittens learn about boundaries and self-regulation. During a playful wrestling match, a kitten might get too rough, and the other kitten will quickly signal that it's time to stop. This teaches the playful kitten to control its movements and avoid crossing boundaries. In a similar way, kittens learn that not all play is acceptable. For example, they might bat at their mother or littermates when they feel overwhelmed or overstimulated, and the others will retreat or react in a way that teaches the kitten to respect personal space. These lessons are vital for developing healthy relationships with other animals, humans, and even other pets in the household. The role of play in social development continues as the kitten grows older and becomes more confident in its skills. As kittens reach around 8 weeks of age, they may begin to play more independently. This is the time when many kittens start to experiment with different types of play, such as ambushing toys or practicing complex leaps and bounds. While this play is still linked to their hunting instincts, it also serves as a way for kittens to explore their environment and test their physical limits. As the kitten's body matures, its coordination and strength improve, and it may develop new and exciting ways to engage in play. As the kitten continues to grow, it might begin to engage with its human companions in new ways. At first, it may play cautiously or with some hesitation, but as it becomes more comfortable with its surroundings, it will seek out more interaction. A kitten's playful energy is contagious, and its instinctual games often translate into fun, interactive play sessions with its human caregivers. Whether it's chasing a feather on a string or pouncing on a dangling sock, kittens love to engage with their owners in these fun, instinctual games. These interactions are important for bonding and help build a relationship based on trust and mutual enjoyment. Interestingly, the importance of play doesn't end as a kitten reaches adulthood. Cats are known for their love of play throughout their entire lives, and the early instincts they develop through kitten play continue to serve them well. Even as adult cats, they will still pounce, chase, and engage in mock fights. These behaviors aren't just about fun, they also provide mental stimulation and exercise, keeping a cat agile and alert. For domestic cats, play can help reduce stress and anxiety, provide an outlet for pent-up energy, and strengthen the bond between the cat and its human companions. Even as they mature, the playful behaviors learned in kittenhood continue to play an important role in a cat's life. The practice of stalking, pouncing, and using their claws effectively stays with them, even if they're no longer hunting for food. The games they play help them stay sharp and maintain their instincts, ensuring that they remain fit, healthy, and emotionally well-adjusted throughout their lives. The instinctual games that kittens engage in during their early weeks and months of life may seem simple or entertaining, but they are essential to a kitten's development. These early games prepare kittens for the challenges they'll face as adult cats. Whether it's honing their hunting skills, building communication abilities, or learning how to set boundaries, these playful moments are shaping the cat's future. What starts as playful wrestling and mock fights evolves into a complex, lifelong relationship with play, one that helps cats remain agile, social, and engaged throughout their lives. Play is more than just a way for kittens to pass the time, it's a vital part of their growth, development, and preparation for life.